Hey pals, John here with the LensPal, and today we're going to take a look at the Sigma 70-200 DG-DN Sport for Sony E-mounts. Of all the Sigma lenses I've used, which includes a couple of the precursors to this as well, this is probably one of my favorites. It is completely professional in its presentation. It is a workhorse in what it delivers, and it's just one of those lenses that every time you use it, you're gonna be like, yeah, that's a really good lens. Obviously, it has a 70-200 focal range with a nice smooth zoom ring up front. We have a manual focus ring here if you switch it over to MF. And then behind that, we have a lockable, clickable, and declickable aperture ring. So if you're doing videography and you need to pull your iris, easy to do. If you're a photographer and you like to know that you're clicked into 5.6 or 3.2 or whatever, that's got you covered as well. We've got obviously a couple of image stabilization or optical stabilization modes in here as well as the ability to turn that all off. Focus limiter also. But what I really like about this lens is just how it delivers time after time after time. Yes, you can go with your Canon L series lenses if you're in their system, or Nikon 70-200 for their Z mount is great. The Sony GM2 is an amazing lens, but there's something about a third-party lens that has the quality to compete on those levels that I'm really drawn to. And this is just a superb example of what third-party manufacturers like Sigma, like Tamron, can do that can actually draw you away from those big first-party lenses. So yeah, if you are used to shooting with the Sony 70-200s, whether it's the version 1 or the version 2, I urge you to give this one a try and see how you like it, because you may be pleasantly surprised, and because it's Sigma and doesn't carry that big Sony name tag, you probably save yourself a few pennies as well. So there you have it, Sigma's 70-200 DG-DN Sport for Sony E-mount. Available right now on our website, thelenspal.com, where we do rentals from 2 days all the way up to 90 days. And that would be a hell of a focal length, wouldn't it? 2 to 90 f2.8. If you're paying attention, Sony, Sigma, Canon, Tamron, that was my idea first. So rentals from 2 days all the way up to 90 days. If you've enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful or informative, if you just like looking at 70-200s as they zoom but they don't go anywhere, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, smash a bell, and whatever it is that Sigma's social media team are saying this week. And until next time, we'll see you soon.